Hi, I'm Dreamer Fari. Thank you so much. Well, first of all, congratulations to Beanie for being the new face of Shopee. Sobrang ano to, what an achievement again for your group. But just this morning, na-release din kayo ng Teen Vogue as isa sa mga aabangan, isa sa mga aabangan na girl group this 2024. Your thoughts about that? Teen Vogue to, US-based lifestyle na platform. Go ahead. Kasi naman.
Well, first of all, we would like to say thank you to Teen Vogue and of course everyone else who made Teen Vogue see that we are of potential to be in one of those international girl groups to look out for, and we're very honored, but at the same time there's a lot of pressure, but we hope to take that pressure and be able to perform well and better and always show our best and perform in more international stages outside of the Philippines.
And apart from that, sobrang dami nyo rin kasing achievements on the musical platform, like iba't ibang musical platform, like most streamed kayo, 1 million daily listeners, 5 million monthly listeners. So ano naman yung na-feel nyo about it? Like how do you guys look at it now with Pantropico and also Salamin Salamin and all your songs?
Hindi po kami makapaniwala na nakarating po kami sa ganitong point na million na po yung nakikinig po sa aming Beanie, and unti-unti na po kaming nakikilala po and na minamahal po ng ating sariling bayan. So, super thank you po, especially po sa Blooms na nandyan po para sa amin. And of course, yung management po na talagang sobrang love na love po kami. Thank you so much po.
Thank you so much. What can we expect? Are we going to see them with commercials, promotions? What else?
So basically, I think with Beanie, we will release officially our official first ever commercial with Beanie. There will be more to come in the following months, just a little teaser. And I think we also, with Beanie, they're all very fashionable, they all look great with that. We also bring in, a lot of millions of fashion deals on Shopee that they can represent as well. And of course, I think, we mentioned a bit earlier the embodiment of being ang dali-dali sa Shopee. I think that's the vibe that we get from Beanie. And with that, they are the best ambassadors to bring forth, our free and easy returns and COD.
Po, Shopee po, one of our big endorsements po for this year. Nag-work po kami na dire-diretso. And kasi po meron po may mga mina-manifest na mga brands, and isa po talaga yung Shopee because we are Shopee girls since day one. Yes! Thank you so much, Shopee. Talagang manifesting work. So manifest nyo na yan, guys. Thank you.
Actually, I first got to know Beanie from the dance challenges too. And I think, definitely a fan of Beanie right now. And to be honest, this is the first time I'm seeing them perform live. That's a whole different experience versus looking at it, on the phone or on, your computer, on TV. You guys were amazing, right? And this makes me even more of a fan.
Thank you so much. For Beanie, how are you gearing up for that concert? Sa ngayon po, hindi po kami makafocus talaga sa rehearsals for concert kasi may mga guestings po, may mga shows, school tours. Pero pagpasok po ng June, ayan na, dyan na po magsisimula. Talagang whole day, kung kaya po namin 7 days in a week kami mag-training gagawin namin. Kasi first solo concert po namin to, so we want to give our all, our best. Lalo na yung mga Blooms talaga nakipag-agawan po sa ticket. So hopefully, hindi po ito yung last namin this year, di ba? Sana po masundan. Para yung mga hindi nakasecure ng tickets po, mapanood pa rin po kami.
We were very honored and very pressured po kasi it's not just a name, and sobrang laki po siya na it's really a big deal for us. And because we're really bringing this name wherever we perform, they always say this before we dance, and I think pressure will always be there. It's just a matter of turning the pressure to a good one, in which how we view the pressure is we use that to be better whenever we perform, and then be better whenever we make our craft, our music, and thanks to our management, then they're there always for us to guide us to hone our skills even more. So we mostly just focus with just being ourselves, yes, and we don't look at the outside noise or outside, but we more so look at ourselves and just how we can grow together as one. Yeah.
How about biases? Kasi alam naman natin, di ba, there's always the favorite one. How do you handle that?
Kami po kasi parang kung normal naman po sa amin yung ganun, parang hindi big deal sa amin kung halimbawa mas madaming umaidol kay Ate Aya, like ganun po. May sarili-sariling ano din po kasi may sarili-sariling kaming strength, so hindi po namin siya binibig deal po.
Pinalaki kami ng management namin na maging supportive sa isa't isa. So, success ng isa is success ng lahat.
Katulad po, nagkaroon ng music video na bago si Ate Maloy, so nandun kami lahat to support her. And syempre, darating yung time na may mga solo projects din yung iba. Support lang, support system.
Yeah. Thank you. We have time for one last question.
Yeah, me too blush. Para mukhang kilig lagi. Char.
Actually, go to talaga yung blush, no? Kasi parang kaya na siya lahat. Pwede na siya eyeshadow. Pilik mata daw. Mine is Bayonetta glasses and ribbons. That's a must for me. Thank you. Mine will be shades. Shades and lip and cheek tint. Akin, skin tint. Kasi may SPF. Ako po, mini skirts. Thank you guys so much.
Actually, nakita ko po yun. Yung post na yun. Pero nakakatawa po. Hindi pa po yun. Meron pa pong mas nakakatawa. Pero pwede po sabihin. Pero nakakatawa. Natatawa na lang po kami na may mga ganun na pong mabubuong kwento na theory po yung mga tao.
Ibang level.
Fake news po yun. Hindi po witchcraft ang salamin-salamin. Maganda lang yung song.
Maganda lang at kasayaw-sayaw lagi. Congratulations, girls.